Hello, it's Sue of Indigosprites here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the latest Enjoy Cross Stitch Spring magazine and pack. Now, what you get in this pack, I've already had to open it because there'd be awful lot of crinkling if I didn't, and I know that can be quite annoying on camera. But what you get in this pack, you get a magazine and you get the materials in order to make a few of the small stitch patterns inside. So, without further ado, off we go. So, you get 13 skeins of cotton, stranded cotton. High quality stranded cotton, it says. I'll just show you each colour. That's actually coming out, it all seems to come out slightly darker on my camera today. I don't know if it's the weather, but that is a deep cold, a very deep pink. Black. White. Light green, lilac, that's a darker green, pretty spring colours, pale pink, pretty spring yellow there, medium blue, medium-ish pink, a lighter blue, an orange, and a camel. So you get 13 of those skeins included in this pack, for which you pay $9.99. You then get a set of cardboard envelopes. There are the envelopes. You get 6 envelopes and 6 cards. 2 different designs in each colourway. In this yellow, you get the circular aperture and the plain card. They do look slightly battered, but I'm sure once the stitching and embellishments is on there, they'll be fine. And you get the same 2 in the green. Nice apt spring colours. And then you get the same again in the mauve. My personal favourite, because this magazine, if I haven't already said, comes out seasonally. This is the spring, so there's a summer, autumn and winter. And my personal favourites are the autumn and winter, because I love the autumnal and winter colours best. But I do get it all year round, all of the seasons, because I love cross stitch anyway. So you got some pretty spring ribbon in a pale pink yellow polka dot, and the tulips on the white background ribbon on the bottom there. Doesn't tell you how much of the ribbon is there, but plenty to make some pretty embellishments, I'm sure, for your cards. You then get, you actually get a little pack of embellishments there of some bows, some couple of pom-poms and some beads. And you get some felt mounts, aperture mounts for mounting your finished cross stitch. And all of these are designed, the patterns inside are designed to fit in these and to fit on the cards. The smaller patterns, you do get some larger patterns, which, if my memory serves me right, are nothing to do with the skeins they've given you, but I'm sure we've all swapped colours out in our cross stitching, haven't we? and we've all got a bit of a stash, I'm sure, unless you're completely new to cross stitch. Fancy just rediscovering cross stitch, discovering cross stitch all over again. How wonderful! So that's your heart, yellow heart aperture. Then you get this deep coral pink flower shaped mount, a felt mount, and it feels like acrylic mount. And then you get this Easter egg felt mount. You also get a piece of 28 centimetre squared Aida fabric, 14 count, and you can see the needle there as well in the corner. And that is enough there to do, I believe, to do the amount of small projects that they give you patterns for in the magazine. Now, I am just going to flick through this off camera because I can show you pictures, but obviously I can't show you patterns. And then when I get to the picture, I'll bring it back on camera. Right, here's the first 3 designs for the small projects. Pretty spring designs. And some more of the smaller projects. The writing on that one, on the yellow card there, is Happy Spring. And then you've got the chick and the bunny rabbit on the bottom there. And then you've got another one there with 2 birds on a nest of eggs. Shows you what to do with some of that ribbon as well. It's a pretty bit of ribbon in each corner of that card. A couple more designs there for your felt apertures, your felt mounts. A vase of flowers and a ladybug. One of the larger projects now, which is this pretty spring picture. All the flowers and the bunnies and the sheep and the chicks. Very pretty, that one. Some more florals, which is, I guess, one of the things spring is famous for. And on this page you've got some ideas on how to present the Easter treats you might buy for your children, your grandchildren, for yourself even, who knows. It's a pretty way of presenting some Easter treats there in cross stitch. And there's an entire alphabet styled in the same way as these finishes, which they just show you. Lovely if you're sending an Easter card to a couple and put their initials on. The entire alphabet is over the page. Very pretty. And some folk art inspired motifs. Got a fox there, It's a pretty piece of stitching for the front of a notebook. Some nice folk art designs there. Very nice spring sampler style picture here. Happy Easter picture with some pockets on the fabric, pockets on the bottom, filled with little Easter eggs. Wonder how long they'd last if they were put out with the children around, or even with the adults, in all honesty. It's mounted on a bit of doweling and ribbon at the top there, but that's a very nice picture. Fruit picture there, get that focus better, and some more flower type motifs. As I said, some of the designs for the patterns in here have been designed with the colour pack in mind that you get with the magazine. Some will use different colours. Some more cake topper seasonal treat designs. Do a happy Easter. A couple of names there you can do. Some Easter shapes of eggs and bunny and flowers. And those cakes look pretty delicious too, don't they? And I think that's it for all the designs, yeah? So that is this season's Enjoy Cross Stitch. A lovely gift pack in there, and happy stitching. I hope to see you back again soon. Bye for now. Forgot to say, there is a bonus pattern inside, which I will get out and show you the picture of it. There's a fold out bonus pattern inside, and it is this, which is a picture of the Fizzy Moon teddy bear, very popular in the stitching world. And doesn't he just look cute holding that rose? So yeah, nearly forgot about that one. But that's your bonus fold out pattern. So once again, thanks for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.